So you're stepping into the world of industrial real estate, and let's face it, it might feel a bit like navigating uncharted territory. But relax, we've all been in those shoes. When most people think of industrial, they picture basic warehouses and manufacturing plants. But the reality is this sector encompasses a diverse range of property types that you may not be aware of. In this video, I'm going to simplify things and help you understand a little bit about industrial real estate in general and more about the 5 best types of industrial real estate for beginners. No need for complicated jargon. We're keeping it straightforward and practical, so let's get to it. Number 1, flex space. Flex space is a versatile industrial property that combines office and warehouse spaces. Typically ranging from about 5,000 to 50,000 square feet, flex spaces cater to a variety of business needs, making them suitable for small to medium-sized enterprises. Now, flex spaces are like the Swiss Army knives of industrial properties. They're incredibly flexible, making them ideal for new investors. Why? Well, they cater to a wide range of uses, whether you're a small business owner or a regional distributor. As a beginner, having the ability to accommodate various tenants gives you some much needed options. Plus, these spaces are in high demand, making them a sweet spot for steady income. Think of them as the steady sidekick to stabilize your real estate journey.
You're tall and fast like a gazelle.
Number 2, light assembly. Light assembly industrial properties are used for assembling products rather than intense, noisy manufacturing.
Cotton-headed ninny-muggins.
These spaces average between 10,000 and 50,000 square feet, give or take, and cater to businesses involved in assembling and shipping products with minimal manufacturing processes. They may also include areas for storage and office functions. Light assembly spaces are fantastic for beginners dipping their toes into industrial real estate.
I'm new! I don't know what to do!
Why? Well, it's less complex than heavy manufacturing, yet still offers a taste of the industrial scene. You can explore storage and creative office spaces, making it a beginner-friendly playground. Number 3, cold storage. Cold storage consists of refrigerated warehousing designed to store perishable food and products. These facilities typically range from about 10,000 to 100,000 square feet, and they're equipped with HVAC systems and insulation setups to maintain specific temperature ranges. Cold storage is crucial for storing items like groceries, and its demand has increased significantly in recent years. This type of industrial space is perfect for beginners for a couple of reasons. First, it's in high demand due to the rise in grocery delivery and the quest for fresher products.
Fewer preservatives in food require more cold storage, but there's still a very limited supply of cold storage real estate, which makes it that much more valuable.
As a beginner, tapping into trends like this is a good strategic move. Secondly, tenant retention tends to be remarkably high. The headache of relocating an entire inventory of refrigerators and freezers makes tenants, which are often grocers, more likely to stick around for the long term. This stability in tenant occupancy makes cold storage a hot prospect for beginners looking to build a consistent and reliable income stream. On the flip side though, if a tenant does leave, it's not as simple as moving a few boxes. Finding a new tenant can be a bit difficult. It's not like setting up shop in your average office space. These cold storage suites require specialized equipment and infrastructure, making it a bit of a unique beast. So the challenge becomes finding a new tenant who not only needs that specific chilly infrastructure, but is also willing to embrace a space that's already been customized for a previous occupant. Certainly not impossible, but it might take a bit more time and effort compared to, say, a flex or generic warehouse. Number 4, industrial showroom. Ever thought about a space that's a mix of retail and warehousing? Kind of the best of both worlds? That's exactly what industrial showrooms are. With an average size ranging anywhere from around 10,000 to 50,000 square feet, give or take, these properties provide ample room for both display and storage, appealing to businesses seeking a balance between retail and distribution. For new investors, this means your space can attract small businesses that make custom goods, as well as large regional and national tenants. It's a win-win for the beginner who wants to stand out in a showroom of industrial real estate. Think flooring showrooms, furniture warehouses, and honestly, retailers like Best Buy.
What?
Space in the front of the building to show off the goods, and storage in the back for easy distribution. Last, But certainly not least, we have industrial outdoor storage, IOS. This involves storing materials or vehicles in an outdoor industrial setting and is quite possibly the easiest property to own for new landlords. The size of these properties varies widely, with some accommodating around several acres of outdoor space. Average is probably 2 to 3 acres, but you could certainly go smaller or bigger. They are suitable for businesses needing large outdoor areas to store raw materials, heavy machinery, or finished products that just don't really require the expense of climate-controlled environments. This outdoor canvas offers freedom from indoor constraints, making it very versatile for various needs, and is a cost-effective entry point for beginners mindful of expenses because it's an open yard with a fence, of course. Its adaptability, minimal maintenance requirements, and the potential for diverse opportunities make it a very attractive choice for beginners. Now, what makes it even sweeter for beginners is that this type of property often becomes a cash cow until its true potential, its higher and better use, is unveiled. You've got the chance to rake in rental income while patiently waiting for the perfect opportunity to transform that outdoor space into something even more lucrative.
Okay, man, let's do it.
Quick, cheap cash flow and the promise of future greatness. It's like having your cake and eating it too. So if you're all about smart investments and watching your cash flow grow, industrial outdoor storage might just be your ticket to the real estate game. So there you have it, folks. 5 types of industrial real estate that are perfect for beginners. Check out this video here on how to actually find industrial real estate investments next.